Hello dear students, welcome in our LJB Electrical YouTube channel. In this session, I would like to discuss about electrical earthing in the subject of electrical installation, commissioning and maintenance. Let's discuss content of our session. First one is basic meaning of electrical earthing and the other is importance of earthing. Now, first of all, we will see basic meaning of earthing. The process of transferring the immediate discharge of electrical energy directly to the earth by the help of low resistance wire is known as the electrical earthing. The electrical earthing is done by connecting the non-current carrying part of the equipment or neutral of supply system to the ground. Mostly, the galvanized iron is used for the earthing. The earthing provides the simple path to the leakage current. The short circuit current of the equipment passes to the earth, which has zero potential. Thus, protects the system and equipment from damage. Now we will see next point, and it is importance of earthing. The earthing is essential because of the following reasons. First one is earthing protects the personnel from the short circuit current. Other is the earthing provides the easiest path to the flow of short circuit current even after the failure of the insulation. Then the earthing protects the apparatus and personnel from the high voltage surges and lighting discharge. Earthing can be done by electrically connecting the respective parts in the installation to some system of electrical conductors or electrodes placed near the soil or below the ground level. The earthing electrode under the ground level have flat iron riser through which all the non-current carrying metallic parts of the equipment are connected. Here its image, electrical system without earthing. When fault occurs, you can see here the fault current from the equipment flows through the earthing system to the earth and thereby protect the equipment from the fault current. At the time of the fault, the earth mat conductors rise to the voltage which is equal to resistance of the earth mat multiplied by a ground fault. Now other figure is electrical system with earthing. You can see here the contacting assembly is called earthing. The metallic conductors connecting the parts of the installation with the earthing are called electrical connection. The earthing and the earthing connection together called earthing system. So dear students, we are ending this session here and I will be here again with new topics and new information. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.